Good. What's this? B. Good. What is? I've got a long nose and I'm coming to drink your blood. I'm a mesquite. Mesquite. Mosquito. We say insect. What's this? Juice. Good. Juice. Juice. Orange juice. What's this? Good. Kangaroo. What's this? Lion. Roar. Roar. What's this? Fantastic. Monkey. Monkey. This is this my nose? Is this my nose? Nose. 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 Beautiful. I am a octopus. I am a very, very good. So, is this a big sound or a small sound? Good. Is this a big sound or a small sound? Very, very good. Every letter has both sounds. So is this the big sound or the small sound? What's the small sound for S? Thank you. Very good. Give me a high five. I have mostly heard April, but high five to everyone in retrospect. What? This is letter A. It is A, but is this the big sound or the small sound? What's the small sound for A? I'm not sure if I heard it, but I think so. Yeah, I think so. Is this the big sound or the small sound? What's the small sound for T? Listening? What's the small sound for P? Good. Can we say at? At. 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 Pat. 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 Very good. Let's change the letter again. What letter? C, very, very good. Is this my big or small sound? What's the small sound for C? Good, close. Good.